everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the HAPA KRISTIN First Love Kristine. They've just recently released this one, and this one is in the color brown. So currently there's only one color and it comes in 1 month and daily. The one I'm holding right now is a daily box. So without further, we're gonna get started with the review. The diameter for this is actually leaning towards a much more smaller diameter, which is 12.5 millimeter. However, the overall diameter is actually 14.2. So when I actually put this on, I actually felt like it did not feel like 12.5 at all, because usually my average diameter that I would tend to go for is between like 13.0 or 13.2. I don't really go below that. So when I put this on, I was actually surprised how not small it looks, you know, like it actually looks like a decent size, and I actually like how it actually looks like. The way they try to promote it is that they try to say that with this First Love, you can actually apply this without any makeup, because the whole point of this is trying to make it look very natural looking with or without makeup at all. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how it looks like without makeup. So please pardon my skin, it's really bad right now, but I really wanted to show you guys how it looks like without any eye makeup. And I do have to say, it's not the most natural contact lens you actually wear without makeup, but to be honest, a person like me, this is considered natural for me, because for me, if you guys are like my long time viewers, you guys would know I don't wear any clear contact lenses. Like if I wear clear contact lenses, it would be contact lenses like this. Justification of that is because I don't usually wear contact lenses. Most of the time I wear glasses. So if I have to actually wear contact lens and I'm not wearing makeup or with makeup, I obviously want some color in me, because if not, it just looks so boring for me, you know. That's just how I feel. So for me, without makeup, it still looks really nice. I actually love the rim around the eyes to actually make my eyes look much more enlarged, which looks really nice. And somehow it makes me look like very like awake. Okay, like yesterday was a horrible day for me, like with my son. Like he just wasn't sleeping, he was constantly waking up every 2 hours, and I just looked so dead this morning. And when I put this contact lens on, I felt good, guys. Okay, like I felt like I was awake, I looked much more brighter, I didn't put any makeup on. I was like, this actually looks so nice on me. So I can see how it really feels very fresh and natural looking, but I can tell you it's like 10 times better with makeup too. Like I absolutely love this, and I can't help but feel like this is very similar to one of the OLENS double tint brown color as well, so I'll put side by side. But also I feel like this particular contact lens do have some similarities with some other HAPA KRISTIN as well. I'm sure a lot of you guys will ask me whether it's very similar to One and Only and to Secretive KRISTIN. Yes and no. I feel like with Secretive KRISTIN and One and Only KRISTIN, both of them have that crescent moon going on. However, with this particular First Love KRISTIN, imagine that crescent moon but gets split into threes, and it gets split into 3 different parts on the contact lens. It doesn't link together, so it doesn't matter how much this contact lens move, that golden brown little crescent particles around the eyes look very, very nice. You don't have to fix it at all, and that's what I love about it. And I also absolutely love, and I did say just before as well, I love the dark brown border of this. Like it's so thin that it just blends so nicely with my eye, and I just love how it just gives me this beautiful enlargement to it as well. That is my thoughts on it. I absolutely love it. Again, the color is brown, but for me it looks more of like a golden brown, which I actually don't mind, and the outer part is like a chocolate brown. So let me know what you guys think of this. Like if you guys are trying this or have tried this or is looking towards this, let me know. Would you guys wear this without makeup? Like it will be interesting to see, because obviously that is one of their pointer that guarantee you can actually wear it without makeup. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.